Did you know there's an essential oil that has been used for thousands of years? It's mentioned in the Bible several times, treasured by royalty, and packed with incredible health benefits. It's called Spikenard, and today I'm sharing why this ancient oil might just become your new favorite focus, relaxation, and radiant skin oil. Stick around because at the end I'm sharing my favorite Spikenard diffuser blends to bring the magic of nature right into your home. Spikenard comes from a flowering plant in the valerian family, native to the breathtaking Himalayan mountains of Nepal. It's steam distilled from the roots of the plant, making it one of the most grounding and earthy oils you'll ever experience. And if you love frankincense, you'll love this one too. Like frankincense, Spikenard is a universal oil. When in doubt, use frankincense or Spikenard. Here are some of the benefits of Spikenard. This oil is an all-star for healthy aging and glowing skin. It's deeply nourishing and rejuvenates the skin. Brain and health focus and concentration. It's perfect for those days when you just can't stay on task. It's great for emotional balance. Feel calm, uplifted, and centered. Heart and immune support. A gentle but powerful way to care for your body inside and out. Now let's talk about how to use it. Typically, Spikenard is used topically or aromatically. Here are some of my favorite ways to use it. For topical application, rub a few drops on the bottoms of your feet before bed or for deep relaxation. Apply along the spine, temples, or your thyroid, or any area of concern for targeted support. And then you can also mix it with hydrating cream to soften and smooth your skin. Add it to your favorite cleanser or anti-aging product for radiant, glowing skin. For aromatic use, diffuse for mental clarity, relaxation, or an earthy, grounding scent. Pair with other oils for amazing diffuser blends, which I'm going to share with you in just a sec. Spikenard isn't just a powerful oil to use medicinally, it's also deeply symbolic. It was used in biblical times to anoint those of high honor. It's a sacred oil representing healing, renewal, and peace. Okay, you know I love diffuser blends, so here are a few of my favorites. These are featuring Spikenard. The first one is Woodland Spice and Forest Rain. Bring the outdoors inside with these fresh, earthy scents. I'm also sharing with you one called Expansion and Brain Boost. Perfect for times when you need to focus and really get things done. The next one I'm sharing is Fresh Start. It's a crisp, uplifting blend to start your day with energy and intention. And last, Dreamland, the ultimate sleep blend for deep, restful night. I'm dropping these exact recipes in the description below, so check them out and let me know which one you try. Spikenard is one of those hidden gems in the essential oil world, and I'm so excited for you to experience it for yourself. If you'd like your own bottle of CPTG Spikenard, look for the link in the description and you'll be able to purchase it at wholesale costs. If you found this video helpful at all, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more natural solutions for mind, heart, and body. And tell me in the comments what's your favorite essential oil for relaxation and focus. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.